How do the Igbo people understand the concept of chi?
Yeah, thank you. Here, Basaluchi. Remember, spirituality is one. Don't allow anybody to bamboozle you or to confuse you. The same way we human being Igbos are created, the same way the Indians, the Chinese, the Europeans, we are all created by Chukwu. Now, in all world religion and spirituality world over, they recognize guardian angel. Whether you call it guardian angel, you call it spiritual guide, or you call it spiritual being guide, spiritual guide, or you call it Chonyowa, or for the Okeachi, they are all just mean the same thing. Yes. Don't allow somebody to start confusing you the more. In Igbo spirituality, you have Ogbuefi Chigi, you have Ogbuefi Ikenga. What is Ikenga? Ikenga is the spirit behind the Chi. You cannot take away Chi and Ikenga separate. No. If you want to feed them, you feed them together. Because no one Ogbuefi Ezeana and ugochitubelu. And when Ikenga. So you can't separate me and my Ikenga. So if you want to talk to me, talk to me as Ogbuefi Ezeana and ugochitubelu. Ikenga. Now, na Ikenga one. You understand? So you cannot take my Ikenga away and take me separate me again. So stop feeding Yachi. Somebody will tell you feed the Ikenga separate, feed the Yachi separate, feed the Onyu separate. Who does that? Onyu how spirituality works. They don't need to separate because he weak. Here about Chigi na money no so Chigi as one entity. Feed them together as one entity and they shall be well with you. Let me tell you what you don't know. Even my own research based on other world religion all over, they recognize their chi, whether you call their spiritual guide, spiritual force, or you call it chi, or you call it guide and means the same thing. So they don't separate it the way we normally separate it in Africa here. And remember, spirituality is one. Only how you explain it is different. So what I can tell you, don't allow any Dibia or any spirituality to begin to ask you to feed the Achi separate, feed the Ikenga separate, feed the Onyowa separate. Who does that? So call it Chionyowa mother. You are guided angel. You are spiritual guide. Have here mother that had 100 more weaker? No. Okay, what do you get from separating it separately? If you divide it, you spend more. It's one. Show you one mother. Makano moruchi gina haso ebiwa. Chukwa ko hono. Ko we dre chipa. Ko we makari arage. Ki ha we bro bond makani go vike. Dalo.